to say, Abu Bakr looks absolutely massive compared to Anderson. Oh, that's a big straight kick to the midsection. Tajeti fighter so loose on his feet, and that kicking game is causing a lot of issues with the range. Anderson now trying to step forward, that's more like it. Oof. Another turning side kick, the attacks to the body, relentless. Oi! Huge, coming forward, big shots here. It's the kicking game and now working that body hard. Spinning attacks as well. Anderson trying to switch it up. Does really well there to get the takedown and end up in top. Oh, he's looking for this scorpion crunch. He's got his hands around the back. His hands around the back there. The referee put the mouthpiece back inside. And now he goes once again for this scorpion crunch. And with the body work he's been doing, that it's difficult to submit people with that, but it is a legitimate technique. Now he's looking for the sweep, Anderson. And again, after taking relentless pressure and a lot of heavy kicks, did really well to get it to the mat. Now no strikes to the body allowed down here. Anderson needs to look to find a way to pass those long limbs. You hear the coach there in the corner there for Team England, 2 minutes left. Yeah, he wanted to try and progress that position, but look at this as he was trying to get past the guard. Those long legs that were causing a problem on the feet, and now wrapped over trying to cinch up this armbar. Oh, tap, wow, gets the finish. You can see Anderson obviously upset there. But my goodness, what a performance there from Abu Bakr Nurmatov, really making a mark. Phenomenal from start to finish. The kicking game was great, the pressure. Then got taken down. Oh, the celebration equally as good. Then got